A U.S. warship has sustained minor damage after a collision with a Japanese tug off central Japan, the U.S. Navy says. The commercial tug lost propulsion and drifted into the guided missile destroyer, the USS Penfold, during a towing exercise in Sagami Bay. No one was injured on either vessel, the U.S. Navy says, adding that an investigation is underway. This is the latest in a series of incidents involving U.S. warships in recent months. In a statement, the U.S. Navy says the warship sustained minimal damage, including scrapes on its side. Penfold remains at sea under her own power. The Japanese commercial tug is being towed by another vessel to a port in Yokosuka. In August, 10 U.S. sailors were killed when the USS John S. McCain collided with an oil tanker east of Singapore. In June, 7 U.S. sailors died in a collision between the USS Fitzgerald and a container ship in Japanese waters near the port city of Yokosuka. In May, a guided missile cruiser collided with a South Korean fishing vessel, while in January another cruiser ran aground near the fleet base in Yokosuka. The U.S. has recently announced a series of reforms aimed at increasing naval skills and alertness at sea.